Jesus, we honor you, we glorify you. One day, I know that we'll have crowns and that we can lay them at your feet at the very throne room. But until that day, we crown you Lord of all, Lord of our lives, Jesus. We stand in honor of you and we worship you because you are worthy. There is one on the throne, Jesus, you're holy, worthy. He is worthy of praise.